overcomers by our testimony. Give God the glory. I was a juvenile, I never thought I was bad, but boy was I wild. Introduced to you, Lord, at such an early age. Renegade, accepted Jesus in the 8th grade. I was saved, but I didn't understand the rules. Ended up back in the world, acting a fool. I didn't have a clue on exactly what to do. How do I pray to you? What do I say to you? The Bible's like Greek to me. Lord, can't you speak to me? What is this thou and thee? It was all a mystery, so I turned away from you, your will, and I sinned. A child in denial, searching to be a man. Running the streets like a minivan. The boy trapped in silence, formed in the lines of young men prone to violence. Went from an honor student making A's and B's to a student of the streets making C's, selling D things from petty cash, from rocks to grass. Snatch a purse and make a dash, cause old women didn't run fast. Explosive like a match held to gas. Without your love, I wouldn't have lasted. I can't do it by myself, Lord, I can't do it by myself. I can't do it by myself, Lord, I need